Hey there, in this video I'm going to be showing you practical way to generate leads on WhatsApp organically. I'm going to be showing you how you can fill a WhatsApp group with more than 250 persons and without running any Facebook advert. All right, so it's a practical video you will be learning from. Hey there, Ezul Gospel here. If it's your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so that you can get more amazing videos from this channel. And to you, if you are returning back to view more of my content, I would like you to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed and like this video, okay, so that it can be of much help to several people on YouTube. Okay, it's a way of making my video to reach more people on YouTube. If you don't engage, YouTube won't show my videos to more people for them to view at it. Okay, it's a way of helping my channel to grow. So if you are in for this video to learn how to grow an audience on WhatsApp, to learn how to generate organic leads to fill your WhatsApp group in order to sell your product on WhatsApp, then this video is for you. Let's go right into this video. Alright guys, welcome to this tutorial video. I'm going to be showing you everything I'm doing right here on my WhatsApp so that you'll be able to follow all the processes that it's required. Alright, so here it's my WhatsApp right here, as you can see. So everything I'll be doing, I'll be showing you all of them, the practical step on WhatsApp. So you make sure you pay close attention and watch this video to the end, because what you'll be learning is what I call chain reaction techniques. All right, it's an organic way of generating leads on WhatsApp, and it can never stop unless you stop it. So once you start the process, all you just need is to be active and continue to respond to people, and the lead generation will continue, and you will keep on filling so many people into your group. All right, I'm going to show you right here on my WhatsApp. As you can see on my screen, you will look at these two groups. A free class I'm running on YouTube, just like I'm showing you on the screen. They are the two classes where I am applying what I'm teaching you right now on this video. One of the classes there is YouTube beginners waiting, and the other one is the main class. So how does this technique work? How do you use it in order to generate leads? All right, before you can use this technique, somehow you can use your autoresponder. All right, WhatsApp autoresponder helps you to respond message automatically to people, but for a reason I refuse to use it. All right, so let me tell you the reason. The reason is this: those who already have autoresponder working for them knows when someone is using autoresponder. If they notice you are using autoresponder, they will refuse to obey the instructions you are giving in the group, and they will go ahead and trigger your autorespond, and the autorespond will respond to them. All right, this is why I did it. So this is the first group, like you are watching right now. The first group, I've opening the first group. All right, so let me open the first group. The first group is the YouTube waiting. It's the general group where I made the group link open to people to join. All right, sometimes you can decide not to make the group link open. The reason I made the group link open is because I don't want to be getting a whole lot of DM messages. All right, sometimes I can decide to make my link to be directly to my DM. All right, but I made it into a group so that so many people will not be sending me messages. All right, so this is the process of generating lead organically. Create first a WhatsApp group, a free WhatsApp group. So I created my first free WhatsApp group. You can see it here. This is the YouTube waiting. There are more than 214 persons, over 200 persons or so far that have joined this class, or more than 150 persons so far that have joined this class, are new contacts. Like, they are those who are not my contacts. All right, it's not like I just shared my group link to my former groups and people start joining. No, my target is to get new leads, those who don't know me before. That's why you must pay attention to this technique I'm teaching you right now. So when I created the new group, okay, just like you are seeing right here on the screen, so what I did was I created an ad copy. So this is my ad copy. Attention, now you can start your YouTube journey. So this is my ad copy. All right, so this is the copy I put on my status, and I put it on my with the flyer that I designed. Okay, so make sure that when you are using this technique, your flyer must be very, very good. So if you check my flyer, once you see my flyer, if you are someone who is interested in that class I'm offering, all right, you will be really interested to join in the class because of the flyer. So look at the flyer, the quality of the flyer, you see it is very, very, very professional. Okay, so that's it. So when you have created the group, you put the group link and the flyer on your status. Now when people begin to join the group, all right, depending on the number of audience you have before, if you don't have so many audience, I will advise maybe you start by telling your own friends to share the flyer for you. But someone like me, I already have audience. I have more than 1,000 viewers on daily basis. So all I just did was to put it out on my status. All right, so when people began to join the group right now, then I created an instruction. Look at it. I wrote there, kindly follow the instruction if you find me worthy to learn from. Of course, for people to obey you in a free class, they must have seen you as someone that have value. All right, you must have displayed authority in what you are about to give them for free. So I said, if you find me worthy to learn from, anything short of this, kindly leave the group. If you find me worthy to learn from, make sure you keep to my instructions. So I gave them the instruction, share this flyer and write up on your status without editing anything. And after you do that, screenshot your proof and send to me. All right, so when they did this, some of them will send me that they have done it. So if you look right here, all right, look at this person right now. Okay, he sent me that he has done it. Let me look for another person who is not from my contacts. All right, so look at this person right now. Okay, he's a new contact. I don't know the person doesn't know me. All right, and the person, that was how they joined the class. So look at it here again, this particular person. All right, so that is it. So what I did was, when they joined that my free class, the waiting group, I called it the waiting group. So when they joined the waiting group, what I did was to give them those instructions. All right, so I give them those instructions, and when they did the instruction, what I did next was to give them the main group link. So you will see right here, there are more than 212 persons in my waiting group, and in the main group there are more than 100 persons. Now this is it. This is what we call qualifying your leads. It's of no need generating leads of people who are not ready to give attention to what you are saying. So if people can keep to your instruction, it means they are ready to learn from you. Okay, so that is it. That is the strategy here. So out of 200 persons in the main group, in the free group, so 100 of them are ready to learn from me, as you can see. Okay, so that is it. Out of the free persons in the free group, more than 100 are ready to learn from me. So, and it is those 100 I'm going to teach, and those 100, because they have kept to my instruction, it means they have been qualified as my leads. So they are ready to pay attention to me. So when I teach them and likely sell my offer letter to them, they are likely going to buy. With this, you can remove those who are not interested, who are just coming to spam your group when you are generating your leads. Okay, so that is it. So once you create that free group, you will keep doing it. Like this class I'm running now, once this class is starting, the day it will start, once it starts, I will start the process afresh. In the next, give another 1 week, I'll start another class. The class will keep running like that. So it's called, it's like a lead chain generation. All right, It's a way of generating leads and continuously. Okay, so that's it, just like you are seeing on the screen right here. Let me go deep into the process and show you some of the people that have joined the group. So let me look for it. So this is the main group. So you can see several of them here that have joined my group. Look at them here, 120 persons so far. All right, but the beauty of this is most of the content here are those who don't know me. All right, these are those who don't know me. It's just a fresh new lead. Now let me tell you the secret about this method. This is much better than paying for Facebook advert, in the sense that those people who are joining are organically advertising your class to their friends. And once, this is the way marketing works. It's called mouth-to-mouth marketing. All right, my friend is more likely to buy something he or she sees on my status more than just seeing that thing on Facebook. All right, if they say, okay, my friend is attending this class, I really need to learn from this class that my friend too is attending. All right, that's the strategy here. It's called organic lead generation. I call it WhatsApp chain reaction. Okay, so once you do that, let me show you here from this place. You see, so you see this person right here said he has advertised my work. So if I go to another person in the same group, you will see right now. So look at this person too. They advertise it on their status. All right, so make sure you apply this to your classes. It will help you, one, generate fresh leads, those who don't know you. Secondly, it will help you to reach those who are likely going to pay you. Thirdly, it will help you to remove those who are just coming to spam your group, who are just wanting to get your knowledge without adding value to you, because you are giving out free value in a free class, but then they should at least market that free class for you, so that you don't have to go and start spending money on advert. So this is what it takes to generate organic leads on WhatsApp. So if you find this video valuable to you, if you learned something from this video, kindly let me know in the comment section how you are going to apply this thing you have learned right now on your own WhatsApp. And I would like to hear from you, your own testimony when you do this. Let me know how much people you generated to your free class and how you continued that process. This process will help you to even grow your WhatsApp status to more than 1,000 views. Until then, see you next time.